So hello again and welcome. This is the second machine. It is another PYE VR22, and on the CRT TV we have actually a better picture than the other one that we had. However, this machine is not without its faults. It's already pretty much trashed one cassette, as you can see here. So the only way to be able to fix that is I've got to dismantle this actual cassette itself, cut out this bad section which has completely wrapped itself around, as you can see there, and splice it back together again. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you is this hole here. It's very similar to VHS. So it's actually a release mechanism. So these two spools are braked at the moment, and when a pin goes through that hole there, it actually releases the braking mechanism off of the spools and allows the system to work and operate. Now I'm not sure if it's because I've had the CRT running a bit longer, or if it really is this machine is displaying a better picture, but we are definitely getting a better picture on this CRT itself. Sound not quite as strong, probably very likely due to sort of worn video heads in this machine, or audio heads rather. Could also be a tape alignment issue. And if we look at this spool on this side, you can occasionally see it jumping slightly, and that suggests to me that we have potentially an issue with the pinch roller, which isn't the end of the world, and it is potentially something that we can actually get sorted out. But the thing to sort of take home with it about this is it is an old machine, and the fact that it's working at all is a miracle, because these were very complicated machines when they were new. So it doesn't seem to be doing sort of too badly for itself, and I think with even with just a little bit of exercise like this and like this, you may actually find that once the machine has bedded itself in, it will be a lot better. You see, this is one thing that VCRs, any format, VCRs do not like, and that's not being used. If you don't use it, you lose it, so to speak. Yeah, you can hear it crinkling on the pinch roller. Ooh, that's gonna... yeah, that's done it. Let's stop that. I think that may have done another tape in. Let's have a look. Oh, are we lucky with that? No, it's not rotating at all at the moment. So, wind forward. Nothing. Wind back. Nothing. Right, let's eject that one and have a look at it. Oh. Oh dear. Oh dearie me. Yeah. That's definitely a pinch roller issue. It's just trapped around the pinch roller in there. You can actually see it if you look in there. That's quite badly snagged around there. Could leave it like that. Interesting art piece. What we will do though, there we are, just manhandle it. There we go. So, what we're going to do actually is, let's see if we can get this cover off, and let's have a look and see if we can try and sort out that particular problem. So, I'm puzzling about this machine, and what has happened is I pulled this lid off, which literally, if you sort of put it down, it does actually just sort of pop off. But when I did that, I pulled the deck up too far. So what's happening now, the loading tray rather, so what's happening now If you press it down, it won't load. It won't latch, rather. So I've given the pinch roller, which you can see here, a clean. And then I was just having a look around the deck, and I noticed, I don't know if you can see it, this, which just pulls up like that. And if I push this down, you can actually see where I think it should be latching into. So I'm going to get this top cover off again and see if I can pop that back into place, because I think that might be the problem. And as if by magic, that was the problem. So what it actually does, it holds the deck into place, and I think it probably actuates a switch which engages the whole mechanism. But what is quite nice is you can actually do, if you flip it off, you can actually do a huge amount of cleaning operations without actually having it in place. You've got to remove this top cover first, which got these little clippy things here which go into there like so. Well, let's have a look. So it goes into here. Come on, in you go. Oh, there she goes, and click. And they hook onto these, and then you've got these little holes here which latch onto these little pins here. It's a surprisingly elegant mechanism. I rather like it, if I'm going to be honest. Right, let's try out this cassette again. So we've given that pinch roller a bit of a clean. I'll pop the cassette in, and we are going to turn the deck on, and we'll actually fast forward that past the dodgy bit. And let's lace it. So let's pop this down again. I think I turned the TV down actually. Let's turn the volume up.
Supposed to bring us round to autumn again. So there we are. That should make a nice azalea in about a year and a half time.
And that seems to be playing back okay. And we're not hearing any horrible sounds from that pinch roller. So when I cleaned the pinch roller, as you can see from my little swab stick, quite a bit of muck and oxide came off of it. And that does seem to be in much better shape than it was. So if we hit pause, yeah, not bad. Oh, it's lost signal there slightly. Let's actually just stop the tape. Like that. Did I lean on the on-off switch? Yeah, I must have leaned on the on-off switch. So, pause. Play. Fast wind. Fast rewind. There's go to button, what does that do? Oh, that's... what does that actually do? I don't know. It does something. I've read up about it before, but I'm not sure exactly what it does. Right, I'm going to leave this one playing for a bit because it seems to be in a happier state than it was previously. And best thing to do is if I just leave this playing, it just sort of allows the machine to bed in a bit. Also gives this CRT an exercise as well. You might not be able to tell from here, but the picture on the CRT is actually a lot brighter than when we started, and that's been running on snow for about an hour or so. If you don't want to have to go to the expense of putting it onto a tube tester or anything like that, you do actually find, for tubes which are not actually in that bad a shape, just leaving it on snow is actually perfect. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video entertaining. If you have, don't forget to hit that like button and also consider subscribing for more upcoming fascinating hobbies. Thank you very much for watching.